5 reasons why you must start affiliate marketing today. 1. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money without having to create your own product. 2. You can work from home and be your own boss. 3. You don't need a lot of startup capital. 4. Affiliate marketing is a low-risk investment. 5. Affiliate marketing is a great way to build your brand and reputation online. Want to learn how to make $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing? Subscribe and check the link in the description below to get started now.